Hey coders, in this video we'll learn together HTML tables. So before we start, if you need the code, all you need to do is to go to the GitHub. You'll find the link in the description. It will look like that. Click on the code button and download the zip. Then you will have the code. So as you see on the screen, HTML gives us the option to create tables in a very smart way. So let's get started from zero. So to get started, we want to start with the table tag. Now in the table tag, we have usually rows. So to create a row, you just grab the tag tr and then let's make 3 rows. So what I would do is just like to make 3 rows, I will make 3 tr tags. Now if we check, we will see nothing yet because we don't have content in it. So now in every single row, you can just like write anything here just to test. You will see that, okay, we have in a way 3 columns. They are not looking like rows. The reason is that every single row, you should put in it some columns. So for example, td, which is the table data, you can grab this and put it in it. And now you will see that, okay, it changed a bit. The same should be done here. So the data that we have should be put in the td, which is table data tag. In this case, you will see, okay, we have 3 rows. Okay, so what if you have different columns? So let's now grab a good data. For example, let's write here name. Okay, so we have name. Okay, and let's say we have 2 data sets. In the first row, we have the name is Jad, and the second one is Karim. Okay, so now we have a table. The heading is name, and then we have the first name Jad and Karim. So to make the first row special, because it's the heading, we can leverage the th tag instead of td, which is table heading. The difference is it's bold. As you see, it's more bold and it's in the middle. It's centered and bold. That's the only difference. So now to make it better, let's just add some data to the table. Starting from, let's add country and age. Let's check. Okay, so we have name, country, and age. The name's Jad, Karim. Let's fill the data. So now the country of Jad, let's say Germany, and then age 22. Then the same, we grab the same for Karim. Let's say he's from Lebanon and he's 42 years old. Or let's go for 48. Now if we check the data, it's okay. So now, since we've learned in the last video the CSS, inline CSS, which is basically the styles attribute that you can leverage here inside every single tag, let's grab it, grab the border, and let's go for 1 pixel for the width of the border. Let's go for solid, so it's linear, and for it's the type of the border. And then let's go for a black color. As you see now, everything is in a square. So now let's grab this Jad and put it in a border. So to do that, let's go for this one and paste the same style. If we check now, we will see, okay, Jad is in box. Now let's the whole thing for every single table heading or table data. Now as you see, we have this table, which is well organized, and every single data has its own border, and the whole table has its own border. But as you see here, we've repeated ourselves 10 times, writing the same style for every single th. It's a bunch of work. That's why in the next video, we'll learn a new way how to write our CSS. I hope you benefited from this video and you've learned now how to use tables in HTML. With that, don't forget to subscribe to be a better coder. Here is your Jad. See ya.